रूस में तैनात पाकिस्तानी सफीर ने भारत की जानिब से किसी भी मुहिमजोई का पूरी कुव्वत से जवाब देने का ऐलान कर दिया। रूसी मीडिया से बात करते हुए खालिद जमाली ने वाज़ेह किया कि पाकिस्तान के पास इंटेलिजेंस शवाहिद मौजूद हैं जिनसे पता चलता है कि भारत कार्रवाई की मंसूबाबंदी कर रहा है।
You know, the frenzy media of India and the irresponsible statements coming out from that side has compelled us. And there are some other leaked documents whereby it has been decided to strike certain areas of Pakistan. So that makes us to feel that this is going to happen and it's imminent. And as I said, knowing Pakistani nation, the armed forces of Pakistan supported by people of Pakistan, we are going to respond this time and respond with full spectrum of power. When it comes to India and Pakistan, we do not get involved into this debate of numerical strength. We in Pakistan will use the full spectrum of power, both conventional and nuclear.